Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, it's Jenna G. That's me, the hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. So you're seeing this delicious looking plate of food in front of me here. So I've got some fried fish, some saltfish and tomato, and some dal. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this saltfish and tomato. It's pretty easy. I know many of you would know already, but this is more for the younger folks who are not too sure how to put together a saltfish and tomato. And even for anybody else in the Caribbean who wants to taste a little sort of Trini favorites, this video is for you guys. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is just your basic ingredients for saltfish and tomato. So you have your saltfish, have some tomatoes, pepper, onion, and garlic, and that is just basically it. Sometimes, like I've seen my grandmother add a little bit of tomato paste if the tomatoes doesn't give it the right red color that she likes. She adds a little bit of tomato paste, but this is just the basic ingredients that you see in here. First step to making a saltfish and tomato is just to put the saltfish pieces to boil. This is just to get rid of all the extra salt. So I'm going to just let that boil for a couple of minutes. Once your saltfish is finished boiling, you're just going to strain it. I have a little bowl. Just want to rinse it out so you get any excess salt out of it. And then I'm just going to use my hand and just break it up into smaller pieces. Squeeze it out and just break it up into smaller. Now next step is just to cook it all up with your tomatoes and your onions, pepper, garlic. So to my pot, I'm just adding a little bit of coconut oil, and then I'm going to add my onions, garlic, pepper, pimento as well. Adding a little water so it wouldn't stick. Next, I'm going to add the saltfish. I'm going to fry it up nicely, and then we're going to add the tomatoes. So my heat is on low, and I'm just going to cover it. And you want to let it cook through. Keep the heat on low so it will not stick, and the tomato is going to get nice and soft, and spring some water as well so it will cook together nicely. If you need to add some water, you can go ahead and add a little bit. Right, so as I mentioned earlier, if you want to add the tomato paste like my grandmother does for the extra rich red color, you can go ahead and do so. If you like the color, just eliminate it. So you just want to cook it through until the tomato skin is nice and soft. I don't like eating the saltfish and tomato, even smoked and tomato, with hard skin still on it. So I would just mash it. Use your spoon and just mash up the pieces of the tomato, and then just let it cook through until it's nice and soft. Our saltfish and tomato should be finished right about now. Looks pretty good, and of course it smells pretty good. And at this point, you can taste for the salt. If you overboil the saltfish, just add a little more to it. Hopefully you did not underboil it. That's the correct word, because then you're going to have some salty saltfish and tomatoes. Alright, so this is what it looks like. A delicious looking saltfish and tomatoes recipe. It doesn't take that long to make this delicious dish actually. Alrighty guys, and that is all for our saltfish and tomatoes video. These things are so super easy to make, and it's one of my favorite things. It's very similar to the smoked herring and tomato that I would have made before in one of the videos. It's up. I'll post the link down below so you can check it out. And this is just what it looks like. So it's pretty simple, and of course I'm going to enjoy this with some dal and rice, and I have some fried fish making as well, and it's about to go down. So I hope you tried this video. For you guys who are not too familiar with this saltfish and tomato recipe, or how to make it, it's a favorite here in Trinidad, and I hope you guys try it out. If you like your seafood, It's a great tasting dish. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to share with all your friends and your family. Share it with somebody who just might be interested in making this saltfish and tomato recipe. So thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next video.